Angiwonise ukuthi survive lapha ngoba sihlakaniphile bese singahlakaniphanga. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ukungena kwethu lapha bekuyi-assignment. Yabo? Thina we were there to fulfill the assignment. EyaKaNkulunkulu. So obviously angeke understand abofaro bakhona yonke indawo. Yabo? And abofaro basiyabadinga futhi empilweni abofaro. Abantu abafana nabo likes of layout engikhuluma ngabo. We need such people. Yibo laba bakhombisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona. Ukholo lwakho utestwa yelabantu abanje. Because you can't be saying uyasonta uzalwana utestwa. Man, you must be tested. You must go through a test. Yabo, ivangeli lachubeka nalaba abasha sebayaqala basondela bayasindiswa. Kuthiwe ke bafethu bayagibela kusasa bafethu. Yabo, sekuyivikinyana 2 weeks nyana ke. Sekumele ube khona abantu abagibela bovele court ngisho. Bagibela bafethu bathi hayi siyagibela ke siyovela futhi ke fundisa nishaya into endume ngazo. I know what happened that day. We lay hands on these people ne. Masibeka izandla kulabantu. That day uNkulunkulu wenza isimanga akekho kwabuya abasha kuphela. We preached in such a way ukuthi a certain prison order wasibiza uTaphole. Wathi angazi ukuthi ningeneleni la. But ngiyabona ukuthi lento eningenele baniqambela manga. Wathi kithi yabona wonke umuntu makala uzazi anganizange iqala. Wonke umuntu makala uzazi bambophela into angayenza. But nina angazi nibophelwe. Kodwa aniboshwe banisukela. Lento eniboshwele yona niyenzanga ni. Yabo? Then we started fasting and praying. Abuya uMazambane. Athi bona why bangaphumi? Abafundisi. Ata iskeleme lesi. Labantu laba babeka abantu izandla kangaka. Basindisa abantu. uNkulunkulu yena wangabasindisi baphumela. Wayibona bahlule ukuzisiza. Athi akekho uNkulunkulu walabantu. Phela mangabe bekwabafundisi bamampela bekufanele ngabe sebaphumile kwabona. Eyile out. Enema lento mayikiso kuba ngathi vele isikeleme ngoba la kuphela asiphumi. uNkulunkulu amkhulu kangaka enze miracle. Azenzeni? Abize uMasekenti. Shuthi uMasekenti ayisho uMasekenti naye bekulo umuntu okule kokasi yakaMazambane. Imbizi indaba yokuthi ayo attend case. Sekumele simbeke izandla manje naMazambane. Athi hayi. Yabona ke ngibekeni izandla. Funa ukubona ukuthi yasebenza lento. Yabo? Simbeke izandla futhi ni was worse ngoba bekanathi eselini. Simbeke izandla ke kamnandi kahle. Futhi uMasekenti bekana macala ayi4 makasho ni. Beka attenda la macala ayi4 wabuya. Siceda ukumbeka izandla wabuya. Uthe makabuya wathanya ekholelwa mina lento ukuthi ngingabafundisi. Sithi kanjani Masekenti athi benginamacala ayi4 and wonke way4 ngwenzile. But in this 3 they don't but I'm not guilty. And ngwenzile. But they didn't find me guilty. Wathi kuleleli 1 bathe ngiphinde ngivele but mangivele ngizophuma. Yangithola labantu bathi hayi lento ayikho. Bathi ayikho lento. Bathi labantu laba bathi kuMasekenti vele bozopopa musana. Shuthi evidence bangano. Khamba amalanga ke sishumayezana nalaba abasha sebatshelwa yilaba abadala bakhona uthi hey ngiwe esontweni njalo la ekhaya. Njalo masilala sesiyathandaza sonke. So uMasekenti agibele makagibela ngabuyi. So uMazambane sekazibambele ngani? Sekazibambele ngokuthi nina bafundisi wayingaphumi. And let me tell you something abekho abantu ababelieve njengeiboshwa. Iboshwa ziyabelieve. There's no call. abantu banokholo la bane faith banokholo I futhi ngicabanga ukuthi banokholo because they've got no anything mhlamba bangayenza lapha. They only got what you give to them, and what we are preaching to them, it was giving them hope. Yabo, so makasolo kakhuluma ke uMazambane ukuthi nina niyabuya maka ningabafundisi kanjani. Then sigibele futhi masigibela ngithola uMagriza sekangithathele not lawyer attorney, yabo. Attorney tendota ngisazokhuluma indaba yokuthi kutholakala i-address yakho, yabo. Makungafaki i-address yakho then uzophuma, yabo. Wathi but uzobuyela emuva manje, uzothola i-remind ubuyele emuva. Mawubuya address izabe sekhona hamba, then sabuyele emuva ke sabuyele emuva eBosberg ya remind wayathi Bosberg wathi ayisho bekaqala ukungibona. It was my first time uMagriza wathatha i-attorney. It was my first time seeing sihlangana mina ne-attorney. So weza ngale phansi emgodini ngala before so attend wavela ngimemeza ngavela. But indoda ke kusazomela ngikhuluma indaba yokutholakala le CID libhale address yakho then uzophuma mawubuya. But manje bazokushaya nge-remind uzobuyela eBosberg. Mawubuya uzophuma and uzophuma nge-free bail setso. But kune free bail but ayikwazi ukuphiwa ona address. Kesha pa ngibuyele eBosberg, mangibuyele eBosberg nomngani wami uma we preached again. Saphuma ngabe uma yi1 October. Nafema ngalipi kanjani? Sa kwakusese khona iAlbertine Court bekungakaphiwa iPambridge Court. Saphuma ngokuthi bathi address yami itholakele. Mokutholakala kweaddress yami bathi iCID ligcina libhalile address futhi lenzeni lahambile laya kithi la ufuna iaddress labhale address then uphuma kwethu kanjalo. Masiphuma we had ukuthi sesathendela ngaphandle icala likapheli. Sathendela ngaphandle masathendela ngaphandle sasathendela kwenye court engale spread ngasenhlapha. Kune court inyana ngale iphambi kwe police station yasenhlapha. So mas attenda lapha yana osicalisa attenda soloko sivele sesathendela ngaphandle nje sasoloko sivelele Albertine ke yabona. So kushuthi bathi no mele si-attendele spread bathatha manje iqala mele so attendele spread. Okay, si-attendele spread mas attendele spread final date ke manje ngobe soloko si-attenda singaphandle kuvela i-final date ke manje uthi manje whether we found guilty or not guilty. Uyavela ubhuti lo owasibophisa uthi kithi masimile lapha yana ngimuza ukukhuluma nalo musisi Katazela emayazi kahle kahle mina nabantu ambazi and ngicela ukuthi bazoyidropa le case, yabo. Ayabona balandelela ukuthi case ayiphaphi la ngibazi nathi besingamazi vele lo muntu ngangicala ukumbona lapha but ngiyakukhumbula negama lakhe nesibongo balibiza lapha. So we went mas attenda then lihlehliswa icala ngisho bekuyi-final date ithi ilona yami i-attorney yami ayikwazi ukukhulumela umngani wami because illegal wise ayimbhadalanga ngisho impadalela ukuthi akhulumele umuntu oyi-1. So umngani wami mele athathe i-state lawyer, yabo. So wa requestwa i-state lawyer, umngani wami mathola i-state lawyer. Makathola i-state lawyer lahlehliswa icala manje ngisho mele lihlehliswe organizelwe lesi state lawyer. Hayi masibuye on a final date ke manje mele likhulunywe icala liphele. Le ndoda ingisi yona lesibophisile ibaleke cause manje iseyibona ukuthi kune attorney ane kune lawyer, kune state lawyer. Uyabona ukuthi manje imibuzo abazombuza yona ngeke akwazi ukuyimela and kuzocaca ukuthi usibophisele into ero. So my attorney said to me, mela ngitshele ukuthi ngoba uthi wena umshayeni isitini emuva bekusebusuku ugcoka iskipa esiwhite kubanda angizolo kumele ngitshele ukuthi ukubone kanjani ngasemuva ngomshaya ukuthi ngoba bekusemnyameni and again ubani ongagcoka iskipa esimhlophe winter kubanda ngaboma 12 ebusuku so obvious ngaboma 12 ebusuku umuntu ugcoka ijezi ayisho if at least you would have said bowugcoka ijacket emnyama would have maybe tried ukuthi nga-understand le story but I can't wabuya wangitshela ukuthi kunamadocket ayi-2 elinye lithi beniphethe ispam elinye lithi bengabe i-common robbery so nge-final date sekuvela liphi le-common robbery mina ngazi leli linye kwenzakalana ngalo I can't tell you but I still believe ukuthi amandla kaNkulunkulu but namanje I'm still confused ukuthi ngavela amadocket ayi-2 kanjani elinye lithi yabo so sekuvele li-1 then on the final day angaveli yabona i-prosecutor ifuna ukuthi kukhulunywe icala umnikazi wala ngekho athi no nina namhlanje mele nolale ejele nyanigweba namhlanje 15 years yabo so kuyimpi yaka magistrate ne-prosecutor magistrate uthi angikwazi ukucharge labantu umnikazi wecala ngekho i-prosecutor no mele ba-charge uthi no man you had the whole resources yaka government ukuthi wena ulethele umuntu la kuneveni yamaphoyisa kunamafonu athi you had all the equipment and mina lecala namhlanje ngilihlehlisi ngaliqeda lecala so magistrate ovala icala ngokusikhomba ngomunye bathi manje nganibona la ngento enje kuzovuka leli engalikhulumanga nani naleli lenzabeni lenzile yabo so kuphela kwalecala kanjalo but that's why I said ukuthi I still believe ukuthi ukuya kwami ejele it was God's assignment mina Khudmani I could not let it go lama memories lawa and bengakwazi ukukhohlwa into engako uNkulunkulu angenzele yona because people most to go to prison babuya nezitori ezibhlungu ngiyangithola abanye they were victimized ngiyangithola into enyane ezinye babuya nezitori ezibhlungu abantu but thina ukuya kwethu lapha ya bokuchintsha impilo zabantu so I can't forget such a thing angikwazi ukuyikhohlwa abanye abantu bathi mangisicoca le story kuba basikholwa bathi angeke nzenze into enjalo ejele noma ungaba umfundisi bayakuhlupha yabona ukuthi yami icala bacinisile bathi livula ingubo lingene yeah athi ngahlekiswa yenye out yathi mangithi icala livule ingubo lingene wathi imali ngangena ngizolidabula yo lingene engubeni yami no mina uanti Nyambonga namanje mangimbone esitrateni usangijabulela ngibulise even though umama mamkwatele yawo angambulisi but mina Nyambonga ngoba ukwazile ukungikhombisa amandla kaNkulunkulu yangithola ngikwazile ukubona amandla kaNkulunkulu because of that auntie yabona at least today nginayo into engimaphezulu noma kunzima ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngikubonile ungisindise ejele ngibonile usindisa abantu 2 mina ejele so I believe ukuthi uzongidlulisa kulesimo I heard ngalesa sikhathi silapha ukuthi kwaba nempi concerning ama 26 nama big 5 and bebangasabaphakeli bame ngaphandle babaphakela from emaselini thina ngisho besingale ema-sectionini ema-single cellini besingekho ema-sectionini besikuma single cells so into yenzakala ngale ema-sectionini besiyizwa ngokuthi siyizwe yazi ke ejele indaba ehlala yabo ayiwazi ukuthi ihlale phansi but into engayibona ngapha zange kwasuka ifight intsango into engayibona ikhona ngoba uStina bekayibhema uStina bekabopha intsango maceda lapho athatha istilulu yabona istilulu asihlanganise kanje kube intambo yabona ilight ayisho yabona light bulb afaka istilulu ngapha afaka istilulu ngapha bese la yagcineni afaka isolo tape xa arola i-toilet paper arola i-toilet paper ngapha na makazihlanganisa kanje la toilet paper yavutha makavutha light ekhanda bekazibiza amabiya athi hey ndoda amabiya azozatubulele efrijini yabona hey ndoda athi ngikhipha amabiya yabo noma second night angaye Friday man aye amabiya azotubulele efrijini emana ukhipha amabiya yabona ke bese bathatha i-tissue bayirole kanje yabo ibe intambo ende kanje bese bayayilayita bayinamathisele ebondweni ngamanzi kanje kusho ukuthi wena usezwa lela phunga lensango so uzwa lela phunga le tissue yabo so bengeke sikwazi ukuba stop akuleyo thina into esizele ivangeli lizobatshintsha yabo so
wagcina phelela lapha yena wagcina sala
Ustina noMazambane wasala uMazambane wagcina aphumile nempintshi yakhe but what I've heard ukuthi wabuyela wathola i-12 year sentence yabo so umngani wakhe waphuma yena azangabuyela yabo umngani wakhe namanje ula ngaphandle wagcina aphumile wachoose wathi so Ustina wasala Ustina ngoba washo naye ukuthi usabhekane nentambo ende yabo ngabe kathanda ukusho kanye lento abafiki mina ngisabhekane nentambo ende yabo but ngeke ngazama ukuye Bossberg ngiyocela ukuthi bangiphe these boys who are in trial yabo especially bona laba ngale kuma single cell because I believe that there is still hope maba sese ku trial yantona I'm not saying ukuthi ngizobakhipha yabo but preaching and giving them knowledge yangithola nokubafundisa kangcono with God I believe ukuthi they will be renewed bacabanga impilo bacabange ngenye indlela empilweni yabo so I was denied zange banginike le opportunity they said I should write a letter iye ku chaplain ngazama ukuthola ama number wakhe sange phone ngaze ngabeka phansi so I said maybe asikaze sifike isikhathi sokuthi ngihambe ngiyoshumayeza labantu lapha yabo but the day I get an opportunity I'm surely do what uNkulunkulu into angibizele wona ukuthi ngiyenze yabo ngoba bekungasingamandla ami bengasamandla ethu nomngane wami kwamandla kaNkulunkulu I believe so life lesson engiyifundile lapha yana ukuthi you see what you believe in believe it and stand for it yabo unga believe into ungabaza if uyangabaza ungayenzi consistent is the main thing if you believe in something believe it and be consistent yabo because I believe ukuthi mangabe besingamkholelwa kangaka lo nkulunkulu besofike sikhohlwe lapha ukuthi ukhona o besofike sithi makumele sisho ukuthi makathi uStina niphetheni sisaba ukusho ukuthi siphethe uJesu kodwa zange sasaba ngoba sasikholelwa leyanto angithola neconsistency sasinawe babonke labantu labayi lento le shuthi bayekholelwe ndikhona because we never stopped praying there was no day la azange sithandaze khona if mangaba sithandazanga kusho ukuthi sicale late hayi ukuthi if shuthi kube nje nalesikhashanyana la sicale khona late but there was no day la ukuthi asithandaze into engingayibona lapha le ndawo yapoka leya yapoka nje yabo because khona la sike sakhuluma khona singafuna ukulala bacisha main switch kwaba mnyama couldn't even see my hand so lo babunyama lo buyamane you could feel ukuthi manje ngathi sekuvela izinto khona la yabona angazi ngayi explain ngithini le nto le but if umuntu ukuthi ukwabona mohamba ne scary place ngathi kuphakama inywele so lapha kuba nentonyana enjalo akusindawo ukuthi manje ungathi iyaphola yabona from time to time kuba bekunalento le angazi noma umngani wami bekayizwa na but ngamuzwa nganathi uyakhuluma benginokuzwa ngathi khona umuntu ohambayo la yabona umuntu ongathi uhamba ngathi ubheka lapha kwamasela kocho but there was a time ngathi ngezwe ukuthi makathi ngiyambona ukuthi uyasondela mangiphakama ngithi ngiyobheka lezi nyawo zakhe yabo. So that's why I say la ndawo yaphoka. My purpose ne ukukhuluma this my story is to show ukuthi there is God. Yangibona, in any situation whether it's bad or good, uNkulunkulu uhlala khona. Mina my dreams in my ukuthi I want to open a big company, yabo, a big logistic company. Hence that's why ngulezi into zabo Bolt. I'm learning what is into transportation, yabo. So I believe everything mawuyenza maybe yenze ngepurpose. Hence that's why I'm in Bolt, from the transportation, yabo. In community yami ethokoza into engafisa, I think lengi engifisa ikuyo lonke ikasi banala yonke ingaleyo ukucindezelana, yabo. Mase ngabantu awish ngathi singasupportana mase ngayi community, yabo. You see Chinese how they are. If one China comes in a country, it brings other Chinese and they lift up. You see how people, abanye abantu from other countries, you know how they are. Imali yabo racist. You won't buy to another person except le race akuyo. Angithola angeke ayathatha imali yakhe ayothenga komunye umuntu who's different from his race. Uzothatha imali yakhe ayothenga kulo muntu lo because is in the same race na, and baya after bayavusana bayabhekelana. Angithola ngifuna ngathi ngifisa ngathi masingabantu abudaki nathi singaba nalento le ukuthi imali yethu nathi be racist iseculated lakithi. Angithola iseculated lakithi if sidingisinkwa sithenge umuntu inewa one bakery. Angithola so ngifisa ngathi ngingaphusheka inewe sigcine la ikasi sesine bank lethu. Angithola kuthiwe nje ikasi bank siyasizana. So that's what I want mina. Angithola I know it's not a one day thing, but it's fisos up ngathi ngaba njalo imali yethu ngathi nathi umnotho wethu ngaseculator la around thina. Angakusho ukuthi yazi we should not give up on people no matter how bad it is. Ngiyazi khona umuntu omunye umuzazi athi lo wesa angeka lunga at the end of the day ayikho dustbin umuntu, yabona. If we easily give up on people, as must give up umuntu singasamsizi singekho umuntu omnaka lo muntu lo awumniki hope man. Ngiyangithola yeah no nokujudge umuntu most of the time ubuye tshele wena. Ngiyangithola isipantiti such words. I think abantu mababuye ejele sibaphele lento le ya support. Ngiyangithola because I believe it's a correctional service. Angithola abanye mina nginokubelieve ukuthi babuye end up ababuyela ku crime because of the community the way thina sibajaja ngakho. Because rejection ngiyangithola agcine sekabona kahle umuntu ukuthi what's the use, ngcono am accepted ngaphakathi ukudlula ngaphandle, yabo.